Hi, I want to sing a song that I heard many years ago as a kid. I think I was in primary one, Christmas time when I was in primary one, and then I was 4 going to 5. And I remember there was one young lady, should be about the age that I am now. There was one young lady that popped up on TV, and she was singing one song that I loved. So I want to sing that song again. Will you stop that? Never mind. The song goes like this. It's a Christmas song, so it's a song in my language, and it goes thus. Keresimesi Odun De O, Keresimesi Odun De O, Odun Ijo, Odun Ayọ̀, Keresimesi Odun De O. Now I put my own modifications in the song. Now I sing. Keresimesi Odun De O, Keresimesi Odun De O, Odun Ijo, Odun Ayọ̀, Keresimesi Odun De O, Odun Ẹ̀rín, Odun Ọ̀yàyà, Keresimesi Odun De O. Ó wá sáyé fún tèmi tìrẹ, Keresimesi Odun De O. Jésù Kristi ọmọ Màríà, Keresimesi Odun De O. Keresimesi Odun De O, Keresimesi Odun De O, Odun Ijo, Odun Ayọ̀, Keresimesi Odun De O, Odun Ẹ̀rín, Odun Ọ̀yàyà, Keresimesi Odun De O. Ó wá sáyé fún tèmi tìrẹ, Keresimesi Odun De O. Jésù Kristi ọmọ Màríà, Keresimesi Odun De O. A kú ọdún, a kú ìyèdún o, ẹ̀mí wa ṣe púpọ̀ rẹ̀ láyé. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year in advance. As you celebrate your Christmas, remember that Jesus Christ is the reason for the season, and He came to the world to die for your sake. He loves you so much. If you are yet to commit your life to Him, this is the time. Bye.